Mastering irregular verbs, the key to fluent English. Hello there! Welcome to another exciting lesson in our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're delving deep into a fascinating part of English grammar, the conjugation of irregular verbs. Mastering these will greatly improve your English speaking and writing skills. In English, most verbs are regular, meaning their past tense and past participle forms end in ed. However, there's a group of verbs that don't follow this pattern. We call these irregular verbs. For example, the verb go doesn't become goed in the past tense, it becomes went. And in the past participle, it becomes gone. There are no rules that can tell us what these forms will be, so they have to be memorized. Unlike regular verbs, irregular verbs don't have a standard conjugation pattern. That's what makes them irregular. But don't worry, practice makes perfect. Let's take a look at some common examples. Present, go, past, went, past participle, gone. Present, see, past, saw, past participle, seen. Present, speak, past, spoke, past participle, spoken. Don't be overwhelmed by the irregularity. With time and practice, these will become second nature. The real magic happens when you start using these irregular verbs in sentences. Here are some examples. Present, I go to the park every day. Past, yesterday, I went to the park. Past participle, I have gone to the park many times. This pattern holds for all irregular verbs. Let's try with another verb. See. Present, I see the beautiful sunset. Past, yesterday, I saw a beautiful sunset. Past participle, I have seen many beautiful sunsets. And that's a wrap on our introduction to the conjugation of irregular verbs. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, practice, and more practice. Keep using them in your conversations and writings. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Happy learning, and see you soon.